Yo, 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 so hello everyone, I'm Marlo and welcome back to a trade recap. Today was just beautiful, man. Like, I have no words for what is happening lately. Lately, the markets really have been good with me. I really think that I'm starting to get a hang of this shit. I've been consistently making money since I passed my eval, and I knew that is going to happen. Because this is what I was stuck in. I was trying to pass that motherfucking eval and I was just blowing account after account after account after account because I was full porting, but I knew once I am going to pass my eval, I'm going to be consistent in this shit because I actually know how to manage my risk properly. So, yeah, since I passed my eval, we didn't had any loss. We only had either break evens or we took a dub. So I think that's great. I think that's awesome. This is the thing that I've been striving for months, for freaking months. And yeah, like I can't say shit. I'm not like taking big ass wins and I'm not like completely fucking passing this shit in like 3 trades or something, but you know, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. This week I actually made some pretty good damn money. So, yeah, let's go through what happened today. Um, well, my first trade was a break even trade. Today I over traded a bit, and I'm not going to lie to y'all guys. I'm not going to lie. It wasn't the best like decision for the long run, I guess, but due to the motherfucking uh, skyrocket that we've been encountering these days, I thought, well, how the fuck can I trade against the trend? So today we were overly fucking bullish. You can see that since what was that? Since yesterday, we didn't actually made any fucking 4 hour retrace, like at all. I thought that we were due for a 4 hour retrace or something, but apparently we weren't because market didn't show us that. Well, we were bullish on both ES and Nasdaq. ES is at all-time highs though, so I wasn't planning on actually trading on ES, even though it was a more bullish index. Honestly, why did I choose to not trade on ES? It's because I really don't like the Fibonacci. I don't really know how to use it. My settings for my Fibonacci are fucked. So if you know how the fuck should I um, solve this shit, because I don't know, the settings are literally just fucked. Let me know because I cannot find any damn good YouTube video where someone shows the settings, but I will. So yeah, when market opened, I saw that we were extending higher and higher. We actually took my main draws on liquidity out. We had Lana session highs. We had this 4 hour high right here, and like these all three four stacked 4 hour highs right here. So I was like, okay, all of my draws on liquidity were taken out. We should see some downwards movement, like at least a motherfucking retrace. So that happened. We broke 1 minute structure to the downside on yes. I remember looking at this shit on yes. Um, we broke. I think we inversed this gap. I can't really remember, but I think we inversed that gap and then we made a break. So I was like, okay, let me get into these motherfucking longs. Oh no, wait, Nasdaq actually made a like we inversed this gap, but I remember that we broke structure on yes. I'm 100% sure. Let me see where the fuck it was, or I think we inversed this gap. I can't really remember, but yeah. By the way, if you wanna like see what really happened, and because sometimes I'm missing these trade recaps, go and rewatch my streams because I go live every market open at Marlow at kick.com/Marlow the best. So yeah, when I saw that we broke above this high and we were like making equal highs with this hourly high right here, that was my next drawn liquidity. I was like, okay, okay, let me put my fucking stop loss to break even. So I did. And I got stopped out at break even in my first trade. So I was like, okay, we made equal highs. That this should stop me out. We made another 5-minute retrace. If we are going to break structure, I am going to re-enter this shit. So yeah, I re-entered this shit right here. I pressed buy right around this area. I actually took partials right here. It took a small little win. My stop loss was at this low. Yes, I know negative risk reward, negative risk reward, but I knew that we were going to take out that motherfucking high. So I over risked a little, just a little. But yeah, when we took out this high, I actually put my stop loss to break even. I think my entry was um, a little bit higher than this. So I ended up being stopped out again. Well, when I saw that I only made like $80, I was like, oh, okay, this should stop me out again. But I feel like the market is going to want to go higher and higher because ES is at all-time highs, and with such a strong upward movement, I couldn't like trade against the trend. Remember, the trend is your friend. So I was like, oh, okay, let me take this mock-up trade. I actually ended the stream right here. I said I'm not going to trade anymore, but I was like, okay, let me at least make 20 more dollars so I could have like one more profit day, so I would secure one day that I made more than $100, so I would be like at three profitable trading days. So yeah, so I did. I entered right here into my last position, which was my biggest one. Uh, I think it was right around this area with one micro. And I only made $200 on this trade. We chopped a little and then we broke structure to the upside, and as you can see, we won the trade right here. Right after I saw that we're like actually going higher and higher and we are out of this area, of course I put my stop loss to break even because I didn't really want to take any more risk than I already did. So yeah, this was a risk-free trade. This was a 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, so we ended up making, I think, like 300 and some dollars today, which is not bad. Like, I am trading on a 25K account, so making $300 is like more than 1% of my account. So like, bro, if I'm making more than $250, or even if I'm making $200 a day, I'm not mad. Like, I'm not mad at all, you know? And taking these small little wins, I know that I just have to stack them the fuck up, and I'll just enjoy the results, Because I'm not over risking, I'm not doing all of that dumb shit. I'm just enjoying like the fruits of my labor because I actually know where the charts want to go. So yeah, this is how I made money today. I don't even know how much I made today. Let me check to see if Tradify updated this shit. They usually don't update it, and that like makes me mad. Let me put my account here. So let me see. Okay, so it updated. Nah, I cannot see. Like on it, my dashboard is like still not updated. But yeah, we made like 300 and something dollars today. But we're halfway there. Like, I only need to take two or three more winning trades, and I'm going to be chilling. I'm going to get my first ever payout. And that only can bring joy to me, you know? The fact that I can finally understand what the fuck am I doing, it just brings me joy. So, yeah, this is what happened today, boys. This is how I made 300 and something dollars. I don't even know how much I made because this shit does not update. But, yeah, tell me if you took the same longs today. I hope everyone took longs today because of this like big ass fucking upwards trend. So yeah, I love and appreciate everyone. I hope and appreciate everyone that supports me on stream. I even gave a shout out to my channel, to my YouTube channel on stream. So if you are here from there, hello. Um, Thank you for being here, I guess. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new trade motherfucking recap. Let's see, tomorrow we don't have any news. This shit should go as smooth as it goes. We only have news on Friday, so yeah, this shit should go very, very smoothly if like nothing crazy happens. But yeah, I'm Arlo, and I'll see you guys to the next one. Bye.